Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO T2 Pro, and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and it does not really matter on which mode you will be. You can be on the photo or video mode, whatever, but before we will start, let me apply the grid lines actually. I hope that you can see them. I've applied them basically because I'd like to show you the visual evidence that the reset option will work, so they should disappear. In order to reset the settings, we have to enter the settings themselves, which are in the right upper corner, and then tap on more settings, so in the same area again. Now we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on reset and confirm it. And as you can see, this is the very first evidence actually that we just successfully reset the settings, because we've got the privacy statement, which will appear whenever you're opening the camera for the very first time after purchasing and turning on your device. So just tap on agree. And as you can see, we do not have the grid lines, which again means that we just successfully reset all camera settings. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.